Here is how to load data from a CSV file into Instadeq manually. There's another way to do it automatically, which is covered on the video how to send data to Instadeq using webhooks. So to load data on Instadeq, the first thing we need is a CSV file card. You can create one by creating a new card in a deck, and you will get the empty card like this and selecting CSV file. This is the default configuration and view of a CSV file card. And we have some settings that we can change depending on the format of the CSV file. And if we want to auto-convert values like numbers and dates into numbers and dates and not keep them as text. If the first row is headers, otherwise it will auto-generate columns. We can select the default delimiter. The default is a comma, but there are others. And by default it's set to persistent, and it has this default unique channel configured. We will see what it means later. So first, to load a file into Instadeq, you can do it in two ways. One is if you have a file at hand, you can just drag it and drop it on the drop area. It will turn blue. You can see the data over here. You can see that the numbers are auto-converted. The other way is you just click on the drop area and it will open a file picker, and then there you can select the file. So we have this file and the data already available, and Instadeq is asking us if we want to store it in the channel. The channel is this one over here. By default, each card gets a unique channel name, but you can change it. So we can say my CSV channel, and we can hit apply so that it uses the new channel instead. And by default, as I said, the card is set to persistent. What it means is that it will ask us if we want to store it there in the channel whenever we load a new file. And if you say yes, what it will do is it will store the data we loaded into this named channel. So whoever is listening, in a sense, is viewing a dashboard or a deck or a chart that depends on a source listening to this channel, it will automatically get the new data. And also, whenever we reload the deck or we reload the dashboard, it will pick the last value available. We can see it in action here by creating a new CSV card. We can see it has another channel, but I can put my CSV channel there and hit apply, and it will get the values. Now notice that here it says 196, so I will just pick this other file that has an update, and it says 964. Since I didn't store it in the channel yet, and this one is displaying the old data, but as soon as I hit OK here, it will automatically appear over here. So this is the way to manually load files from a CSV file into Instadeq using the CSV file card, and how to use persistent settings and channel names to automatically propagate new values for the files to everybody listening to that channel. If you have any question, just comment on the comment section below. Bye.